Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Roblox Studio with your avatar prepared. This is essential because you remove default clothing via the avatar model, not account settings. First, open Explorer and Properties so you can see character parts. Next, insert a base plate or open any place to test changes. Make sure you are using the same account that owns the avatar. Finally, from the Toolbox or Avatar tab, locate and insert a dummy character model. To begin removing default clothing, with the model selected, expand its hierarchy so shirt, pants, and accessories are visible. This is where Roblox stores clothing. You remove default clothing by deleting the shirt and pants instances or setting them to nil in scripts. Once deleted, the body uses the base R6/R15 appearance. For accessories, select each accessory or mesh part and remove or set their parent to nil. Make sure you don't delete humanoid or rig parts. Those must remain for the avatar to function. Once you delete clothing objects, play the place and inspect the avatar to confirm defaults are gone. This verifies runtime appearance. If textures still appear, clear Studio Cache and confirm the shirt/pants asset ID were removed. Sometimes a linked asset keeps displaying. If problems continue, upload a blank shirt/template or reparent humanoid back and retry. Finally, save a backup copy and use Studio's version history so you can revert if you accidentally removed essential parts. That prevents permanent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.